Hello everyone, and today I'll be showing you how to make this origami piece dove. To start, you're gonna fold your square sheet of paper in half diagonally. Then I'm gonna turn and fold it in half again. Now you're gonna place it like that and take one layer of paper and fold it backwards. Then you're gonna turn it over and repeat on the other side. Okay, so now you can take the bottom corner, just one layer of paper, and fold it towards the top edge, like that. Then you're gonna unfold, open the flap, so lift one layer of paper, and push this triangle that we just folded towards the inside. And as you do that, you're gonna fold along the line that we did previously. So again, what we just did was we folded the corner, unfolded, opened, and pushed like that. Now you're gonna repeat it on the other side. Now you're gonna make the head of the dove by folding a small corner like that. Then you wanna unfold and open and push again. And then it should look like something like that. Make it flat. And now you can form the wings by folding the flaps upwards on both sides. Like that. And we're almost done. Now we're gonna fold the tail along this line. And then you're gonna open it. As you can see, there are 4 layers of paper, so make sure it's 2 layers at each side. You're gonna open it with your finger and make it flat. Like that. And once you've done that, you can fold one half backwards. So this is your origami dove ready. And if you want, you can shape the wings a little bit, making them more round. Same thing on the other side. And this is optional, but if you want, you can form a beak by pinching the paper here slightly. So this is your paper dove ready. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave your comments below and leave a like if you've enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.